our advocacy, education, and how it can change lives. I will be speaking my heart out on the 13th of March in the Philippines Department of Education Cyber Expo at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Some of the topics I will share are the future of making things, computer-aided design in STEM education, LinkedIn learning, the value of getting micro-credentials. I will endorse my preferred CAD workstation and will be promoting our LinkedIn local movement. During and after my talk, we will be giving away a limited number of 3 months LinkedIn Learning and LinkedIn Premium subscription. For your info, LinkedIn Career Premium is valued at $30 a month. To grab this giveaway, simply fill out the form in the description below. See you in person on DepEd Cyber Expo on the 13th of March, 5 p.m. Breakout sessions at Plenary Hall.